Planning a holiday trip, be it a hotel, Airbnb, or staying with loved ones, be aware of a hidden danger responsible for a rise in accidental deaths among travelers. In today's Health Watch, Local 3's Connie Feldman shows us what it is and one simple thing you can do to stay safe.
When making vacation plans, most travelers include a safety plan to protect themselves against things like being stranded or getting mugged. But very few travelers consider the possibility of carbon monoxide poisoning in their hotel. Just in this past year, carbon monoxide leaks at 6 U.S. hotels have killed 2 and injured at least 35. Here's one way to protect yourself from this hidden danger while traveling. The past 20 years have seen more than 1,000 injuries from carbon monoxide leaks in U.S. hotels, with 32 people, including 7 children, dying. That's according to the nonprofit Jenkins Foundation, which tracks carbon monoxide incidents at hotels. While smoke alarms are normally required in every hotel room by law, there's no such law for carbon monoxide detectors, nor are they required by Airbnb, which has seen 10 carbon monoxide deaths in Chile and Mexico in the past 5 years. What makes the gas so dangerous is that it's odorless and colorless. The most common causes of carbon monoxide poisoning in hotels are boilers and heaters used to warm swimming pools and water for an entire wing, according to Dr. Lindell Weaver, who specializes in carbon monoxide poisoning.
Carbon monoxide can go through drywall very easily. It can move through crevices and little holes. So indeed, people often have been poisoned in sometimes quite a distance remote from the poisoning or the carbon monoxide source.
Dr. Weaver encourages travelers to buy a portable carbon monoxide alarm. They cost anywhere from $30 to $100. They're small and they don't take up much room in your luggage. Packing at least one will protect you and your loved ones from the dangers of this deadly gas. Carbon monoxide poisoning can often mimic other illnesses, so travelers will often dismiss the symptoms as travel-induced stress or food poisoning. But doctors say it's crucial to get checked out as soon as you start to feel sick. And if you're staying at a hotel or resort, there may be a nurse or medical professional on staff who can assess your condition. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Connie Feldman, Local 3 News.